Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Nasreen Rabi and today I'm going to show you how to create a talking AI avatar using HeyGen. But first, let's look at an example of what the final video might look like.
Hi, I'm Nasreen. I'm an English teacher. In this video, I'm showing teachers how to create animated avatars.
First, go to the HeyGen website and sign into your account. Once you're inside, click on Create Video. If you don't have an account, you simply sign up by using your Gmail account. So now you click on the avatar option on the left side of the screen, as you can see here, and then you simply click on Quick Create and let the magic begin. So now you click on Upload Image or Upload Photo and select the image you want from your computer. Here's a cartoon version of myself created with ChatGPT, which I'm using as my avatar. The next step is to animate my avatar, and I'm going to type the script that I want my avatar to say. So I'm just going to keep it simple and write, "Hi, I'm Nasreen Rabi. I'm an English teacher. In this video, I'm showing teachers how to create animated avatars." Before I hit enter, I make sure my avatar is set to a female voice, so I simply click on the voice icon below and choose the voice that suits my avatar best. When I click on it, a new window opens, allowing me to choose the perfect voice for my animated avatar. I can also preview the voice before applying it to make sure it sounds just right for my avatar.
Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is a preview of the voice for your character.
There are also extra options that allow me to use my own voice or upload audio files directly from my computer. For now, I'm just going to use one of the ready-made animated voices and attach it to my avatar. Finally, I click on Enter and my animated avatar is generated.
Hi, I'm Nasreen. I'm an English teacher. In this video, I'm showing teachers how to create animated avatars.
If I'm happy with the result and I don't want to make any changes, I just click on Download and save the file. So as you can see, creating an animated avatar with HeyGen is easy, fast, and a fun way to turn your ideas into engaging videos.